name is Corine Rijnhout and I'm a design team member from Studiolight, and we have a new card shape die from Studiolight, and it's a bit difficult, I heard from the office. So let's get started. I have die cutted all the pieces, and the biggest one, let's get it first out if it likes. Yes, the biggest one I cut out from white cardstock. That's this one. And you have to cut out both big ones. Why? Because this part has cutting lines, short cutting lines on the top of the die, and this one has short cutting lines on the bottom of the die. So you have to cut out them both. Then the other part, what some people think they can't get out, they think it's not good, it's not okay. Yes, it is okay. We have, okay, at both sides, I take the largest. They are the same, as you can see. And you have make the front of your card. So that's this one, already this one. But at the back you need another one, and that's not the right size as you see, but when you turn it you have the right size. So you have cut out 2, 4, 6, 12, and that 2 times 24 from these. You have need 12 on the good side, and you need 12 on the back side. I hope you can understand it. I have a piece of paper for you so I can show it. When you see my papers, these I die cut it at the wrong side. Let's get the big one. Then it's easier for you. Let's get rid of this one. It's also too much. As you can see, this is one that I cut out, and this is one that I cut out. Well, I have the wrong numbers, I think, but that's not. Oh yes, these are from the craft. So the sizes are the smaller ones. But you see, I cut out one side on the good side from your paper because I wanted all the dark blue ones, and I cut out for the back on the back side. So I turned my paper, so I cut out this like this, and then you have to turn it on and it fits on your paper. I hope it is clear now for you. And then let's get started too. As you can see, I have used some paper clips, because when the first time you make this card, I think it's better you use all the same paper, so there's nothing can go wrong. But I like it when there is another color. And as you can see, there are 2 on this side, the last one and the second one, and 1 on this side. Let's get started. Yes, this one belongs over there, and I think I have to turn it on this way. Yes. So let's get glue it together. It looks difficult, but it isn't. You only need enough pieces for this card. So, and when you not sure you're doing right, do it like I do. Use some paper clips, and then it's easy peasy. And the other one I already have glued together, because otherwise it's going to be a little bit boring, I think. And the biggest are on the bottom of my I don't know. Okay. And as you can see, I have a lighter one. When the card is folded together, you can see why I did that. And yes, I love that. This one is also a bigger one. It's gluing together. So that's not so difficult, is it? And this card is not so very big. You can send it in a small envelope. This one. I hope it's not too boring when you see I'm gluing. But it's going to look prettier and prettier, isn't it? I think so. I prefer the glue from Studiolight. I've done it in a little bottle because I love the little bottles. So that's almost one side done. And then you can turn it around when you have all done at one side, because your paper clips are all gone then. But you have from every die cut at one side, one size, so there can nothing be wrong. And you're going to glue then. Okay, I forgot my craft. So, and let's turn it around. And as you can see, it's all purple. No, I don't want purples. First, I need all the crafts. This is a bigger one, the biggest one, I think. No, that's not. Okay, a little bit this side. Yes, that's okay for me. I needed this one. This one is the biggest. I'm sorry for the noise. There was a motorcycle near the house. As you can see, I'm almost ready with the craft. I think this die is perfect for your leftovers. How much leftovers do we have? Small pieces of paper that you can use for all these small dies. Okay, let's glue now the other parts. Design papers. And then the gluing is almost done. Smallest. Okay, this one is the smallest. And on this way it works for me perfectly, so I think you have to do it like it's for you the best to do. But I am not going to make a mistake now. and a blue one, light blue. Now the light blues are later in the middle of the card. This is the last piece we are going to glue. Okay, perfectly done. And as you can see, I have already done the other one. You have to fold them on 2 parts. So we have to fold it this. As you can see, you have 3 light ones and 3 dark ones. Well, let's put these 3 together. And first it is a little bit pulling, and yes, that's okay. And then I have to go. No, I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm sorry. This one on this side, because I want the lightest one. Yes, now it's going to be okay. So I have to hold this one a little bit higher, a little bit more higher. And as you can see, the cut lines are getting together now. This one is like that, and then these are going like this. It looks very difficult, but it isn't, really not. But it has to be fit perfectly. A little bit lower, and over here a little bit lower. As you can see, now I have all dark ones at the back side. But when it's really fits together, and I am going to get it like this. Look at that. Now you have the lightest ones in the middle. So that's the easiest way. I have a little bit of small pieces for decorating my card, and that's not much because the card isn't so big. So let's glue something on it so it's not so clean. This way it's too clean, isn't it? Yes, it is. So I have a few small parts. In the die cut blocks you have a lot of small pieces that you can put together. And I like it to do it this way. Oh, where's my tweezer? I've lost my other thing, so I have to use my tweezer. And this guy is also from Studiolight. Well, let's try to put it. Shall we put it on top? Yes, let's put it on top. That's the best way. I thought it would be nicer when it's going at the back, but that doesn't fit. So let's glue it this way. With love. So as I said, all small parts from these die cut block. And I have some, I have a butterfly and some leaves, because only a butterfly, I think it's too clean, too simple. So I like when the butterfly is flying in a tree. So a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So you can use everything of your die cut block. How clean it will be this way. And now I'm going to put it flat. As you can see, it's great together. Because I want a little bow on it. And I have 2 leaves and a flower. A little bit folding the flower. Put some leaves behind. other side. And now look at this. We're going to glue this on the bow. Yes, like that. And now you can see how easy it is to make a small card with this card shape. And the number of the card shape is the SL-ES-CD537. At this side you can see how you have to fold it. Well, I hope it's clear for you. And this is my card. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.